The Lagos State government has joined the world in celebrating World AIDS Day. This year's theme, Overcoming Disruption, Sustaining Nigeria's HIV Response, is to ensure continuity of HIV services and support to create healthier communities. Senior correspondent Adedoja Salamadini has more.
Lagos State has an estimated 160,000 residents living with HIV, with 147,466 individuals currently receiving antiretroviral treatment. This work is about raising awareness among residents about the importance of getting tested and seeking treatment if necessary.
The work began from Alausa through Obafemi Awolowo Road to Allen Junction. Flyers and preventive items are distributed to residents to take caution in preventing HIV transmission. Chief Executive Officer, Lagos State AIDS Control Agency, Folakemi Animashaun, says the state government is stepping up efforts to combat virus from spreading.
Lagos is still leading when it comes to HIV response in Nigeria. 11,000 plus that have been lost to follow up. We need to trace them, so we are doing contact tracing presently so we can bring them on board on treatment. And the people on treatment, 147,000, we are ensuring that they are getting the ART, that is the antiretroviral medications, to ensure that they have a suppressed viral load in order to reduce the spread of the virus.
What we try to do is that when people go out for outreaches and so on, we ensure that they have access to care. When you do now know your status, we link you up to where you have free antiretroviral therapy. So we want people to know that even when you know your status and it is positive, it's not a death sentence.
Lagos World AIDS Day also features empowerment program for over 200 persons living with HIV. Kuye and Bimbo have been living with the virus for over a decade, and they explain how life has been so far.
I've been on ARV since 2010, 15 years now. And since that time, only the sickness that I can say I have is malaria, and it's a general sickness.
I am 62 years old. I've been living with this virus since 19 years ago. So this is what they gave to me, to sustain me, to be keeping me, because I don't have child, don't have husband. So I'm living alone.
Stigma is a major hindrance in HIV prevention efforts and affects those living with the virus. For Lagos State, there is an anti-stigma law in place. The law prohibits discriminatory practices, including denial of access to health care, education, or employment based on HIV status. Adedoja Salamadini, TVC News, Lagos.